Kitty.
Kalian? Ayo nak.
Papa make it for Kellen.
Hello Kitty Trend, kalian. Last day in Japan.
Uy, lalo.
Apa?
Me to ride the Hello Kitty bullet train in Japan. I've been on my Hello Kitty era since birth, so if you're a Hello Kitty stan like me, this train is a must. Everything was so cute. The tables, the windows, the floor, it was all Hello Kitty themed. We hopped on the shopping area. They have some cute souvenirs like little snacks, plushies, and socks. I do wish there was more things to buy in here, like actual food in bento boxes would be so cute. But overall, it was the cutest.
ट्रेन के अंदर हाथ धोने का निजाम है टॉयलेट भी होएगा लाजमी टॉयलेट है मर्दाना टॉयलेट जनाना टॉयलेट हाथों